Hi, I'm Trish Bethauser.
And I'm Jeff Blazine.
Though we can't be together for our annual awards night, we can still celebrate our amazing winter seasons. When school does return, you can pick up all of your awards in the athletic office in room 2000. Thanks again for all your support.
We are deeply saddened that we were not able to host these awards on March 16th, but in lieu of that, we are shooting this video so that we can acknowledge all the great things that our winter sports athletes have done. But before we begin, I want to say thank you to Eric Anderson in the AV department for putting together our Winter Sports Awards video with the music that we can use online and not live. So let's get started with our season summaries. First, we have our girls hockey team, and to read their season summaries, we have Abby Benjamin and Maggie Kirby.
Hi, I'm Maggie Kirby.
And I'm Abby Benjamin.
The Scouts girls hockey team had an outstanding year.
With individuals on the team from 5 different schools, we captured the Founders Cup Championship with a 3-1 victory over Maine.
We have 5 individuals from Stevenson on the roster, including senior Maggie Kirby, junior Abby Benjamin, sophomore Alicia Sharoon, and freshmen Alexis Assey and Rachel Wilson.
Junior Abby Benjamin was selected to the All-State team.
Next, we have our student athletic trainers led by Tyler Coleman and Tom Lowe. To read their season summary, we have Audrey Shapiro.
Hi, I'm Audrey Shapiro. The student athletic trainers had another fantastic season assisting the Rebound Certified trainers with all winter sports. The trainers help students with their rehab, tape injuries, and help stop the bleeding on the wrestling mats.
Now we have our girls bowling team led by head coach Regina Johnson. To do their season summaries, we have Esther Lee and Yu-Min Kim.
Hi, I'm Esther Lee.
I'm Yu-Min Kim.
The girls bowling team had a really good year.
We continually grew throughout the season.
We finished our season by defeating North Chicago by 600 pins.
In the regional, we bowled well and we finished in 6th.
Now we have our boys bowling team led by head coach Cody Mathias. We have Ryan Lerman and Ryan Grabner to read their season summary.
Hi, I'm Ryan Grabner. And I'm Ryan Lerman. The boys bowling team had a fantastic year, finishing with a 14-1 record.
In postseason play, we captured the NSC Championship with Ryan Grabner, Ryan Lerman, Ender Starr, and Joey Gluck all finishing in the top 10.
We also earned the regional championship as a team, with Ryan Lerman earning the individual regional championship. As a team, we also earned a trip downstate at the sectional.
At state, Ryan Grabner rolled a perfect 300 on day 1 of the IHSA tournament.
Next, we have our Allied Spirit Revolution team. Head coaches Nicole Krippinger and Maureen Rubenstein. To read their season summaries, we have Sophie Joseph and Soham Keskar.
Hi, I'm Soham Keskar.
And I'm Sophie Joseph.
The Allied Spirit team had an amazing year creating cheers and halftime routines.
The highlight of our season was in the early December, where we got to compete at the Stevenson Dance and Cheer competition.
Next, we have our girls gymnastics program led by head coach Judy Harwood. To read their season summary, we have Jess Maher.
Hi, I'm Jessica Maher. The girls gymnastics team had a great year. With a few injuries early in the year, we kept going to have a strong finish. As a team, we finished 3rd in regionals and earned an at-large bid to the sectional meet. At sectionals, senior Emily Weinstein qualified for the state gymnastics meet and earned 4th in all-around and 3rd in vault to earn all-state honors.
Next, we have our fencing program led by Fernando Delgado. To read their season summaries, we have Nitin Nadella and Abby Cabrera.
Hi, I'm Nitin Nadella.
And I'm Abby Cabrera.
The boys fencing team had an outstanding season, winning the Epee event, while men's foil finished 2nd, which helped us earn the state championship.
And the girls team also had an outstanding year. In conference, we took 2nd in Epee. For state, we won the saber event and placed 3rd in foil to help us finish as state runner-ups.
Our girls basketball program is led by head coach Ashley Graham. To read their season summaries, we have Avery King and Nikki Coles.
Hi, I'm Avery King.
And I'm Nikki Coles.
The girls basketball team finished with a record of 25-8 on the year, winning 13 of our last 14 contests.
Senior Avery King reached the 1,000-point mark in her career while also earning all-conference honors. Simone Sawyer also earned all-conference, and Ava Bardick was honorable mention.
We also had 2 program records, with Simone Sawyer capturing 10 steals in a game and Nikki Coles grabbing 19 rebounds in a game.
We beat Grant 70-51 in the regional semis before falling in the final 51-46.
Now we have our boys ice hockey program led by head coach Tom Wood. To read their season summaries, we have Emmett Baker and Josh Wright.
Hi, I'm Emmett Baker.
And I'm Josh Wright.
The boys hockey team had a good year, finishing with a record of 26-22-2.
We fell in the semis of the Scholastic Hockey League playoffs, then fell to Loyola to end our season.
Josh Wright led the team with 24 goals on the season, and Brett Stokes led the team with 28 assists.
Brett Stokes and Liam Jones were both selected to the All-SHS team.
Next, we have our boys swimming and diving program, led by head coach Doug Lillydahl for swimming and Amy Inselberger for diving. To read their season summaries, we have Jack Zhang and Jake Kim.
Hi, I'm Jack Zhang.
And I'm Jake Kim.
The boys swimming and diving program had another fantastic year.
After going 6-0 in conference, we won the NSC Championship for the 6th consecutive year.
At the Stevenson sectionals, both of our divers finished 1-2 to help claim the sectional championship.
At our state, our 200 medley relay team of AJ Corollo, Jack Zhang, Jake Kim, and Josh Zhang finished in 5th place.
Josh Zhang also finished 8th in the 100 fly, while Jack White finished 6th in diving.
Next, we have our wrestling program led by head coach Shane Cook. To read their season summaries, we have Alex Scott and Randy Liu.
Hi, I'm Alex Scott.
And I'm Randy Liu.
The wrestling team had an outstanding year.
During the season, Coach Cook registered his 200th career dual victory as the head coach of Stevenson.
At the Stevenson Regional, we had 5 regional champions with 8 total individuals advancing to the Barrington Sectional.
At the Barrington Sectional, senior Matt Millman, junior Keegan Houlihan, sophomore Cole Remrev, and freshman Lorenzo Frezza all advanced to the IHSA state championships.
Our allied basketball program is led by head coaches Ryan Hutchins and Emma Deegan. To read their season summary, we have Alex Eisen.
Hi, I'm Alex Eisen. Our allied basketball team had an outstanding year in our 2nd year of existence. We finished 2nd in regionals and earned a bid downstate. Unfortunately, our state tournament was canceled, but we were still proud of a great season.
Next, we have our cheerleading team, led by head coach Jory Walton. To read their season summaries, we have Nina Lazovnoy, Grace Liebel, Jamie Fisher, and Kayla Ghazvini.
Hi, I'm Nina Lazovnoy.
I'm Grace Liebel.
I'm Jamie Fisher.
And I'm Kayla Ghazvini.
The girls' cheerleading team had an outstanding year.
As a team, we captured the NSC Championship and Sectional Championship.
Down at state, we had the highest finish in program history, finishing 2nd overall.
Nina Lazovnoy, Grace Liebel, and Jamie Fisher all earned all-conference.
While Sydney Ring, Kayla Ghazvini, and Rachel Max were honorable mention.
Our Patriots are led by head coach Kristen Pikarski-Cook. For their season summary, we have Maya Newmark and Jory Nyes.
Hi, I'm Maya Newmark.
And I'm Jory Nyes.
The Patriots had an amazing competition season.
After having a split roster for the majority of the year, we came together to capture both the NSC and sectional championships.
At state, we registered a 97.36 on day 1, and on day 2, we set an IHSA state record score of 99.24, which captured us as the IHSA 3A competitive dance state champions.
To end our season, we traveled to the Dance Team Union National Championship, where we also finished 1st in the nation.
Jory Nyes and Grace McElhinny earned all-conference, while Brianna Blunt and Chloe Lucido earned honorable mention.
Last but not least, we have our boys basketball team, led by head coach Pat Ambrose. To read their season summaries, we have Matthew Ambrose and Jacob Tenner.
Unfortunately, we weren't able to get the video from Matthew and Jacob, but I am more than happy to summarize the boys basketball season. It was an incredible one, with a record of 28-4 and the 8th consecutive North Suburban Conference championship. In postseason play, they defeated both Highland Park and Lake Zurich to become regional champions, which led to a matchup with Zion Benton in the sectional semifinal. The team was victorious, and unfortunately, the sectional final versus Mundelein was canceled due to the IHSA's decision. Regardless of the decision, we are so thankful to this team for an incredible season and many memories.
And then finally, one thing that we always want to do is recognize some of our underlevel programs. In the video you will see now, you will see 2 of our underlevel programs and what a great season they had.
The highlight of our season was the morning of the Stevenson competition. We worked our whole routine. We had a lot of people out
and we ended up hitting a really good routine and got first out of 11 teams. Yay!
Hey, this is Coach Gimry. Hey, Patriot sports fans, just want to let you know that want to congratulate the freshman basketball teams. Both levels had a great season and finished the year in first place in conference. Each were 13-1, so I just wanted to congratulate them. Go Patriots.
The North Suburban Conference recognizes one athlete from each program for incredible sportsmanship, and we would like to recognize those individuals right now. From boys basketball, Reid Hanna. From boys bowling, Josh Lerner. From boys swimming and diving, Zhang. From girls basketball, Carly King. From girls bowling, Kelly Radelet. From wrestling, Randy Liu. From cheerleading, Kayla Ghazvini. From our Patriots, Grace McElhinny. And from our girls gymnastics program, Emily Weinstein. The Scholar Athlete Award is given to senior varsity student athletes who have the highest weighted and unweighted GPA. We'd like to recognize these individuals right now. From our Patriots program, Amanda Lee. From our wrestling program, Randy Liu. From our boys swimming and diving program, Zhang. From our girls hockey program, Maggie Kirby. And from our boys swimming and diving program, AJ Carolla.
Now we are moving on to our Exceptional Stevenson Patriot Pride Award. This is one of my favorite awards because it is nominated by students, coaches, and community members, and then voted on by our Patriot Pride group, which is a group of Stevenson athletes. Our first one is Breakthrough Underlevel Athlete. Avi Reutman did an outstanding job at the NSC Championships, which earned him a spot at the IHSA sectional meet in the 100 free. Next up, we have our Breakthrough Varsity Athlete. This goes to sophomore Josh Zhang. This year, he placed 5th place in the 200 medley relay and then also placed 8th in the 100 fly. Congratulations to Josh Zhang. For our Outstanding Underlevel Team Championship, this award goes to our JV Boys Swimming and Diving program. At the NSC meet, they captured an amazing 354 out of the possible 369 points, placing 1st and 2nd or 1st through 3rd in every single event. For Best Underlevel Game Performance, Julia Martin sank a last-second shot to put us ahead of Lake Zurich in the NSC competition. For our Best Varsity Game Performance, our cheerleading team finished 2nd place at the IHSA state competition. This is amazing because we got national recognition from cheer people around the country, but also from the hit docuseries Cheer on Netflix. Our superfan goes to 8-year-old Max Melker, who is the brother of Mindy Melker, who was on our freshman girls basketball team. Not only did Max go on to Max Preps and see who the lineups were every single day and who the top people were on the teams we were facing, but as he would shoot games of horse with his family, he would do the patented Avery King soft touch shot, and as the bucket would go down, would yell, "Avery King!" Next is our Outstanding Manager Award, and this goes to boys basketball manager Daniel Shapiro. Daniel helps all of the athletes and coaches with whatever they need throughout the season, and during the game is the main stat keeper on the iPad. For our best moment in sports, this goes to senior Cameron Leonard. On senior night of boys basketball, Cameron Leonard made a shot in the final seconds of the game. Though this wasn't the game-winning shot because the team was up by 15 points, a lot of people in the fans knew his story. And because of that, as he went out of the game, he got high fives from his coaches, and the entire stands started chanting, "Cameron Leonard."
It's now time to hand out our Big Gun Awards, and we thank the Stevenson Sports Boosters organization for their support of these awards. We'd like to begin with our Outstanding Athletic Trainer for the winter season. Congratulations to Audrey Shapiro. Moving along to our big guns. Our boys basketball team. Congratulations to Matthew Ambrose. In our boys bowling team, congratulations to Ryan Grabner. In our boys swimming and diving team, congratulations to Jack Zhang. In our girls basketball program, congratulations to Avery King. In our boys hockey program, congratulations to Brett Stokes. In our girls bowling program, congratulations to Esther Lee. In our wrestling program, congratulations to Randy Liu. In our cheerleading program, congratulations to Nina Lazavnoy. In our Patriots program, congratulations to Maya Newmark. In our girls gymnastics program, congratulations to Emily Weinstein. In our fencing programs, congratulations to Jacob Chan and Ava Tyra. In our allied basketball program, congratulations to David Ha. And in our Allied Spirit Revolution program, congratulations to Jeremy Millman. That concludes our presentation of the 2019 Winter Sports Awards. We hope that you've enjoyed it. We encourage you to click on the link for the highlight video, and you'll find that on the Stevenson Athletics webpage. Congratulations to all of our Patriot student athletes, coaches, and families.